Hey guys, McDrain here, and just showing you how to take apart the Colt1911A1. It's a spring pistol, 1911, and it's fairly easy to take apart if anyone was wondering how to take it apart. Fairly easy. Take a flathead screwdriver, or this thing, and find this little hole here. Hard to do this with a camera in the hand. There we go. Push that through, and this part comes out. Yes, you can put it back in. Just slide this part up and it comes out. Sorry, I had to put the camera too close to the gun. Sorry about that. And then basically, it's just in two parts. The springs right there. Can't really take it out or anything. If it starts to lose FPS, you're basically out of luck. So you have to actually get a new one if you want it. Put back on. You just slide that part back on. And you're good. Alright, you drain, and see ya.